Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook Business Manager ID number. This ID is essential for connecting your business page to various third-party tools, running advanced analytics, or setting up integrations with marketing platforms. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. Take a moment to locate the left navigation menu where you'll find various shortcuts and options. Look for your Facebook business page listed there, typically under the Shortcuts section, and click on it to access your business page. Once you click on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where you can manage all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Now turn your attention back to the left navigation menu. You'll need to find the link labeled Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing your business activities across Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. This dashboard provides you with an overview of your business performance and various management tools. To access the specific information we need, look for the Settings option on the left navigation menu. You'll typically find this towards the bottom part of the menu. Click on Settings to continue. Now you'll be presented with a view showing all the business pages you have under your Facebook account. This is where you can manage multiple pages if you have them. From this list, click on the specific business page for which you want to preview the page ID. Once you select it, you'll see detailed information about that particular page displayed on your screen. Under the Page Information section, you'll clearly see the page ID displayed. This unique identifier is what you've been looking for. You can now copy this ID and use it wherever needed for your business integrations or analytics tools. This ID remains constant and serves as a permanent reference for your business page. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Facebook Business Manager ID number through the Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.